Hello and welcome to Laser AI Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at assigning references and conflict management. Now that you've set up your organization by creating a project, adding team members, and setting up your screening instructions, what's left to do is to assign your references so that your team can get to work. Let's get started. Whether you are on the title and abstract screening, full text screening, or data extraction phase, references need to be assigned to researchers. The steps to do this are similar for each stage. From the tab of the stage that you're in, for example, title and abstract screening, choose between single or double screening. Then, next to the screening tasks, click Set Up Distribution. From this menu, you can choose between proportional assignment and individual assignment. Proportional assignment means that the selected number of references will be distributed proportionally between the selected researchers. The individual assignment means that the selected number of references can be distributed in various percentages between researchers. You can use the padlock icon to lock and unlock the ability to assign references to a particular team member. Assign the references as you'd like and click on Distribute. If at any point a researcher leaves a project but had assigned screening tasks left incomplete, the references will need to be redistributed. A note will appear next to the tab. As a manager, you'll be responsible for conflict resolution at every stage. Thankfully, there is a simple way to do this. In each phase, there is a specific tab for conflict resolution. Click on Show List to view all of the current conflicts. You can see the type, in versus out, or out versus out, and set the method of their resolution. To select the conflict resolution method, select the arrow icon next to the conflict summary. Automatic conflict management is the default option. In this option, you can set up a conflict resolution method where each current and future record in conflict is then distributed automatically between researchers. Once this method is set, you do not have to repeat the process for each record. Non-automatic conflict management is the second option. Toggle the slider to choose the non-automatic conflict management option. This means that the records will not be distributed automatically, and you will need to review and distribute each group of records that are in conflict when they appear. Under Automated Conflict Management, for each conflict type, in versus out or out versus out, there are two possible solving strategies. In the case of in versus out, you can choose 1. To be solved by researchers, or you can solve according to status, which would either always include the references in these conflicts or exclude them. In the case of out versus out conflicts, you can choose between the two strategies, either to be solved by researchers, same as before, or solved by the hierarchy of the exclusion reasons, which you can then select and prioritize. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more Laser AI tutorials.